This is the story of Queen Esther.
Yes. I forgot I was in the presence of so great a stallion.
What? Who dares enter my presence mouth to feed? Take her away!
No!
Someone help me!
The light will shine through within you.
Yes, Bugglesville. It's right near here.
Emergency, kids! Let's get him to Bugglesville!
Above you.
It's news from the king. Finally, we can rid ourselves of those awful...
Megan saved this guy's life. She pulled him from the clutches of a...
Hi, everyone! Name's Buzzra! You spider! Yeah!
Losing your way in a big world.
Yeah! You said it! Yeah! During the party at Bugglesville.
Why, that no good... Whoa!
Go astray. A challenge won't throw you at all.
Whoa!
Around you.
Oh!
The stories will unfold above you.
Let's go, guys! Liven it up! This is a party!
Welcome! Come on in!
Find your way. Around you.
Friends of Bugglesville, honored guests, our new friend Buzzra would like to say something.
Fellow citizens of Bugglesville, kind that I will enjoy being your new king.
Right.
He's taken over Bugglesville!
Losing your way in a big world like this can make
Here's Bugglesville. Here's the huge swarm of bees. And here's me.
You won't go astray. A challenge won't throw you at all. Around you, the story
What? Who dares enter my presence without being invited?
light will shine through within you.
You know the rules, O great king. Even the queen must follow them.
Have her taken away and put to death.
Find the power to find your way.
Let go of me! I must talk to Buzzra!
What is it that you have to say to me?
Get out of our town!
Ugly! Ugly!
Ah!